If you're a property manager in search of the perfect property management solution, the journey can feel like a daunting maze. One of the standout recommendations for property management tools tailored to residential, student housing, and commercial real estate is Appfolio. Not only does it offer an intuitive user interface, but it also boasts a wide array of features that cater to the diverse needs of property managers. But what if Appfolio doesn't quite align with all of your needs? Not to worry, because there are plenty of options waiting to be explored. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abugosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. Now, before we dive into the alternatives, let's take a closer look at Appfolio and its role in the realm of property management. Appfolio is an all-in-one solution designed to simplify property management for real estate professionals, whether you're dealing with commercial properties, condos, or any other type. But what really sets Appfolio apart and makes it a top choice for property management is its user-friendly interface. Some of the standout features include streamlined application and screening process, robust tenant communication tools, efficient rent payment management, quick maintenance request handling, comprehensive marketing capabilities, and accounting software integration. And now we come to everyone's favorite part, the pricing. Being that Appfolio is a premium offering, it can be a little pricier when compared to some of the other options on our list. But the pricing does vary depending on your specific needs. So the core plan does start at $1.40 per unit per month, with a $280 monthly minimum. They also have a Plus plan, which starts at $3 per unit per month with a $900 monthly minimum. And lastly, they do offer a Max plan with more advanced features, but you need to contact them directly to get a price on that. And now we can explore our first alternative. So to kick things off, we have our very own DoorLoop. DoorLoop stands out as one of the premier property management platforms on the market today. It not only offers a comprehensive feature set catering to residential and commercial property needs, but also provides competitive pricing and is known for being extremely easy to use. Some of the standout features that you'll get with DoorLoop include automation. You can automate tasks like rent collection, set up preferred payment methods, and automatic rent reminders, and effortlessly track rent. Software integration. DoorLoop offers seamless integration with QuickBooks, enhancing your accounting capabilities and providing additional flexibility as well. Tenant communication tools. Whether you need to send a message, collect rent, or handle maintenance requests, it's all at your fingertips. Maintenance management features, allowing you to create and customize maintenance requests, send invoices to vendors, and handle payments, and so much more. It also has an all-in-one accounting suite, but if you like, you can also integrate with QuickBooks if you're interested in that as well. But now let's talk pricing. DoorLoop offers multiple payment plans to suit various budgets and needs. First, we have the starter plan at $49 per month, the pro plan at $99 per month, and the premium plan at $149 per month if you need the additional features and capabilities. So if you want to know more about DoorLoop, you can go to doorloop.com/start or just click the link down below in the description. Now moving on, our second alternative is Propertyware. Propertyware stands out with its high degree of customization, allowing you to tailor your specific experience to meet your requirements. Now, you could say that it was originally designed with larger portfolios in mind, but it's still a viable option if your budget allows. The features that you can get with Propertyware include customizable dashboards, an open API for seamless integration, online lease capabilities, property management tools, accounting solutions, maintenance management, and operations and risk management. When it comes to the pricing, they offer 3 different plans. The basic plan starts at $1 per unit per month with a $250 monthly minimum. They also offer a Plus plan priced at $1.50 per unit per month with a $350 monthly minimum. But for the most advanced features, you'll want to go with the premium plan priced at $2 per unit per month with a $450 monthly minimum. And now our third alternative is Hemlane, a user-friendly platform known for its intuitive user interface. Whether you're an owner, manager, agent, or tenant, Hemlane offers features that cater to your needs, making the property management process a lot more accessible and efficient. When it comes to the features that Hemlane offers, it covers a wide range of property management needs, including rental advertising, applicant tracking, lease management, tenant screening, maintenance request management, payment management, and accounting solutions. Hemlane provides a free trial for those interested in testing its capabilities. Their basic plan starts at $30 per month with additional units available for $2 each, and their essential plan priced at $40 per month with additional units available at $12 each. But for their most advanced features, you can get the complete plan, priced at $60 per month with additional units available at $32 each. And our fourth alternative is Stessa, a platform focused on simplifying real estate financial planning, and they offer a wide range of features that can be beneficial to property owners. Now, Stessa is primarily oriented towards financial management, but it also includes several key property management features that you'll need, such as the owner portal, document management, leasing features, mobile app capability, tax management, rent tracking, and financial reporting. When it comes to the pricing, Stessa offers two plans. The Essential plan is free, making it an excellent option for those who are just starting out. But for added functionality, the Pro plan is available starting at just $20 per month. And last but not least, we have our fifth alternative, Inago. But what sets it apart is its exceptional user interface, making it a more well-rounded experience for the user. Now, Inago's features include accounting tools, tax management, leasing capabilities, tenant and rent tracking, maintenance requests, an owner and tenant portal, and financial reporting. And as for the pricing, Inago's base offering is free of charge, providing access to the most essential features. However, it should be noted that certain fees may apply from time to time, like with ACH transactions. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all for property management. While all the alternatives discussed here are excellent property management capabilities, you should remember to select the one that aligns more closely with your specific requirements. Now, if you think that DoorLoop might be the right fit for you, then click the link below to schedule your free demo with one of our account executives. They'll get to know your specific needs and show you everything we offer in greater detail. Plus, with that link, you stand a chance to receive a limited time discount that we're offering on this video right now. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned to DoorLoop for all things property management, and we'll see you soon, Loopers.